2 hours from now, we'll be on the ship, drink in hand, toes in the sand. Well, maybe not the same.
There's the port. Do you hear the angels sing underneath us? So coming into Port Canaveral, we are at a stop. Looks like a traffic jam. Everybody trying to get to their destinations this morning.
A little bit of a wait.
Not too bad. We've seen other videos that says this port is a little disorganized. Last year when we came through it, it wasn't too bad, but it's not clearly marked in some places, so you're not 100% sure of where you're supposed to go. I.e. this guy is just gonna skip the line.
Well, most of those cars are going to the left, and I think he wants to go up to the cruise terminal like we do, but I'm not going to try to squeeze through there.
Yeah. I'm not sure which way we need to go anyway. So, Cruise Terminal 5 parking is where we're gonna go. So, parking is a little different than it was last year. Last year, we were able to prepay for parking, and we just pulled on in and came straight into the garage. This year, it's a little different in the sense of you don't pay ahead of time, you actually pay when you leave. So, you get a little ticket just like this. Once you get into the cruise terminal parking deck, and then when we're back and, you know, off the ship, we will pay when we leave. So that's pretty interesting. That was different than last year, but now we're just heading through the parking deck, as you can see, looking for a parking space.
A few moments later.
We are deck 7 aft on starboard side, going down the hall. (7274), so we're looking for 7297. We're getting there. 7288, 7292. 7296. Whoa. 7296.
These are all evens.
Oh, we're on the wrong side. So stupid.
Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
So now we're on the odd side. The right side. Because we were stupid. Alright, so we are on deck 7, room 7297. Let's go ahead in and we'll take you around and see what it looks like. Alright, so typical room. You have the bathroom. We're not going to go in there. Everyone goes in there. Closets. Everyone goes in the closets, but as you can see, they give you plenty of hangers. There's life jackets in the other one. There's a safe in the last one as well. Hangers, yada yada. Here we have the little area, a couple little shelves, phone, hair dryer, drawers. We also have a mini fridge in this room.
Online, we couldn't find anything that said that this room had a refrigerator, but we do have a fridge, so
we
that's
do
good.
mini fridge. We've already put some water. We also ordered a bottle, a 12-pack of water, TV. Here is the bed view. Tons of storage, tons of little shelves, which we didn't have in the Magic, which was pretty good. Again, more storage area. And then this opens up to the balcony. As you can see, there is the Disney Dream across the way. We are still in Port Canaveral. And then let's go on out to the balcony. There you go. Alright. Welcome to Port Canaveral. We're on deck 7.
This is the height.
This is about the height from the water. Some people down below. There's the back view. To the front, you can kind of see the bridge right out there. So the balcony comes with 2 chairs, also comes with a little side table that you could use. These chairs do recline just a little bit. I don't know if anyone ever talks about this, but the sun comes out, you can recline these a little bit. And I like to lay out on here because it's really quiet. It's nice. Overall, the balcony is just your normal size balcony. Back into the room. It's a nice little cozy room. It's where we'll be for the next 8 days, so we're excited. We're on the Sunshine here, room 7297, deck 7. We are aft and starboard, so and here's the room service menu here. So you just pop this on the door, label what you want, what time you want it delivered, how many people are eating, all that good stuff, and they bring it to you first thing in the morning. It's nice to have a little breakfast in bed or out on the balcony. Our favorite is a bagel with some cream cheese and coffee and juice. Sit out on the balcony, enjoy, or breakfast in bed. It's not something we get to do often, so it's really nice to do it when you're on vacation. Near room 7106. If you find this room, it's right out this door. So 2 doors. Watch your step. Boom.
Go down to deck 6 right here as well.
And there's also one on deck 6 if you go down the stairs.
And if you don't know how to do it, just take it up. Here we go. Jump forward, shake your booty. Jump back, shake your booty. Punch it up to the left. Punch it up to the right. One step. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, 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 and turn it. All right, here we go. Big jump, jump forward. Shake your booty.
Alright, so night 1, we are getting ready to go to the main dining room for some dinner. Stay tuned for a couple menu shots and food shots.